Programming a new or replacement key fob for your 2007 to 2000 Cadillac Escalade is a simple DIY process that saves money. First, gather your working key fob, the new fob or fobs you want to program, your vehicle key, and ensure all doors are closed. These Escalades use a 314 MHz frequency remote entry system. Programming is done through the ignition switch without any special tools. Now for the steps. 1. Insert key. Turn ignition on then off. Repeat 5 times within 10 seconds. 2. Vehicle enters programming mode. Chimey or light flash. 3. Press and hold lock and unlock buttons on each fob for 10 to 15 seconds. 4. Vehicle responds. Horn tripper lights flash when programmed. Note that there can be compatibility issues with third-party fobs. For best results, use OEM equivalents to avoid problems. Begin syncing by pressing and holding both lock and unlock buttons on your first key fob simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds after entering programming mode. The vehicle will respond with a horn chirp or flashing lights to confirm programming. Repeat this process for any additional fobs up to a maximum of 4. To exit programming mode, open and close the driver's door or wait 30 seconds. If programming fails, check these common issues. First, ensure your vehicle battery is fully charged, as a low battery can interrupt the process. Make sure you're using compatible key fobs. Aftermarket fobs can sometimes cause problems. Precise timing is crucial. Practice the ignition cycling to avoid errors. If problems persist, a faulty fob or vehicle module may be the cause. This DIY method aligns with GM's original protocols, offering a cost-effective way to maintain your Escalade's keyless entry.